See, I'm a loosely elusive, steady student, ready to bend backwards to build backup rubble in the demolition dreams. They done gentrify these streets, I'm just trying to find my peace. But they asking all my friends to leave without even saying please. Families and all these kids booted like a bunch of dirt. What on earth? Where's the love? Where's the birds to eat up all these worthless worms that propagate the hate and all these racial slurs?
When we demand for peace, when we admit we are hurting from the violence inflicted to our communities, how we mourn for Oscar Grant, Trayvon Martin, Jordan Davis, Alex Nito, Mario Woods, and the many other names whose deaths makes parents hug their children, fearing the world would judge them before seeing them, weeping into their children's shoulders because parents understand the value of their children's lives, and how painful it would be that someone would see them as so easily dispensable.
And that's how I see it. Rock the school bells, keep my cipher completed.
Rock the school bells, hip-hop education. This is all about building the bridge between hip-hop and higher education.
So when we look at the most powerful element of hip-hop, which is knowledge, then we have an understanding of how we connect the dots with our students and how we make this a pedagogy.
One of the ways we teach hip-hop is basically trying to develop that understanding of creativity that everybody has so that they can be able to express that.
Well, I think what's essential in teaching the young people hip-hop is how really it originated around this movement of sharing what was happening in communities.
Experiencing hip-hop at a college campus really, I feel like, brings people together and gives an open space for people to be able to express themselves.
I'm learning a lot about movements that I've heard of but never really got to know about.
What Rock the School Bells is doing is exactly what needs to be done, providing the young people with experiential learning opportunities.
We're able to teach the youth the foundations of hip-hop through platforms and organizations that specifically reach out to the youth and putting on workshops for them where they can have discussions about hip-hop and they can, do dance, and they're able to see a showcase, a musical showcase at the very end. I think it basically sums up, the power of music.
This is what Mr. B's trying to bring, right? Culture into education. Hip-hop is made up of elements. Hip-hop is made up of principles.
If there's one thing that we all resonate in, it's kind of music culture, and that's hip-hop.
To see everybody from different cultures and races and genders, it's empowering.
Now, it's something totally different and more meaningful to me now.
There's a danger to just telling one story. If there's one story, people believe that everybody else's story don't matter.